Excellent. Today we are going to view a basics from Flutter. So the today we are going to take a use case of building list view in a Flutter application. So what I have a brand new sample Flutter application. So it's just a counter application which is there by default. So to start with, we need to create a new widget. So what I will do, I'm going there and I'm going to create a new list view. So what I will name it like my list screen. So this is the new screen that I'm going to create. Okay, in that screen, what I will do, first I will create a stateful widget. Okay, this is Flutter basic application, state widgets. So here I will mention my list screen. Okay, so once I create, I will export the I will import the dependencies. So once it is ready, so we will be having a empty container. Okay, let's go to the main screen and we will change it here with the new screen that we have created, my list screen. So I'm just naming it reloaded. Flutter will defaultly reloaded. So this becomes an empty because the container does not have any value. So it is nothing is there. So what we supposed to do, we first create a scaffold this entire view screen, right? So for that there is a default widget called scaffold, and here we have two major properties. One is app bar. Okay, app bar is nothing but, and then this is the one. So app bar is the top area. Okay, so we have build a top area. Then the next one will be the uh, content, body of content. Okay, so here what I will do, I will create a container or column. First I will just create a sample uh, just a text view so that it text. Okay, so let's view that sample text here. So we have seen that sample text here. So the next part we are going to create our list view. Okay, so for that what I will do, I'll just remove this one and make it as a column widget. Here we will be having a list of widgets. So it will be a list will be like this one, right? So each column, so one row and multiple columns. That's what the list view does. So for that I created one column view. So here just for uh, demo I just create one text view so that we can view multiple text test 2. So we will be having two text and test 2. So this is the this one. So the next one will be, what we have to do, we have to create a list view. So for that Flutter has a default you know um, widget called ListView.builder. Okay, so here this will contain two parts. Let's explore that. One is item count. So this is nothing but the total number of items available in the list. So ideally we will be having list dot length. Okay, so for that, for the static I'm providing 5. Okay, and then the list builder, the actual content. So we said there are 5 items in the list. Okay, so now we have to tell that 5 counts. Okay, it will loop through the 5 times. Okay, for that we have to first supply the build context, and that context is coming from here. So this is the place where we need to provide, and then the index. So I will make it as an index, then the function, and it should return some widget. Okay, so for now I will provide okay, so we will be having the index. So we will be returning this one, right? Okay, here there is some issue is there. Okay, here we will be having one issue because of the string and integer merging. So what I will do, I will make it as a to string. So now it will be automatically added here, like number plus string. So let's say here. So we will be getting some error. So it is not properly binded. Okay. So for the list view, what we will do, we will make it as a new widget called expanded. Okay. So what it will take, what it will do, it is just expand all. It will just get the list view full size and fit it into this column. So this expand will resize the list view builder. See, let's have 0 1 2 3 4. So in our list there are total number of 5 items are there, and that item count starts from 0 to 5. Okay, so the next one, what we will do, we will be we will be like we are seeing this one. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So the next one, we will do some enhancement in this one. So for that I'm using a card widget. Card. Okay, what it will do, a child widget. I'm wrapping with this one. Okay, so now we can see a small some small uh, card is added there. So let's distinguish that. We will do it some elevation 2.0, so that we can see some difference here. Okay, or else what we can do, like we will add some padding. Okay, okay, next one we will be adding some padding. For this one, there is a new widget called padding, and this will contain the pad edgeinsects.all, and the value will be 8.0 something. We'll add it, and we will be adding the child. Okay, this child is nothing but the number which we are displaying it. Okay, so I'm saving and seeing that output. So now it is coming, sir. So what I will do, I'll just remove the first two sample things, and here I'm seeing that one. So okay, so now we designed the static now we have designed the static list, okay, with the number of 5. So I'm increasing the number, okay. So let's see, from 1 to 50, okay. So it is there. So our list view is got generated. Okay, what if in case for the dynamic list view? So for that, what I will do, I will just create one list, okay, list, and that contains a string, okay, and that is going to be a list of arrays, okay, items. So I will name it as items, and here I will mention like we can provide some dummy values or numbers, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right? So the same way we can add it as much as we needed, okay. So here I'm adding 1 2 3 3 4 4 0, just some random values I'm adding it here, okay. So I will take this items array dot length, okay, and I'm going inside here items of this index, okay. So what it will do, it will print the values inside the array, okay. Let's see here. So from here we can see okay, I think we have some error here, dot to stick. What was the error? Yeah, this is supposed to be comma, okay. Let's see here. So here 1 2 3 4 11 and 10 20 30 40, okay. So maybe we can add it some more numbers that will, 2 2, okay. So now we can see here the numbers are getting reflected, okay. So to fix that error, I'm just removing the index. So let's complete this one and we will see. So the list view is got successfully added. So the next one will be, maybe we can do some enhancement here. What I will do, I will just go and add one more widget called list type, okay. This will contain title, which is a text again. Okay, so we can see some differences here, right? And we can make it a differences. Okay, in this card, what I will do, I will just add some coloring. Okay, colors dot amber. So it will add the color. Okay, so here maybe I will add it as a green color, green accent. Okay, so whatever we like it, we can add it there. And also here, this tiled view, we have some more properties like tile. So here I can add icons. If I wanted, I can add icon icons dot um, some any icon we wanted, so that will be fitted in the right side of it. Okay, so the same way we can add it in all the so thank you everyone. So currently now we build a list view in a Flutter application. So the same way we can do it for the API to fetch list of array items, and we can bind it in the view. Okay, thank you everyone.